Today's subject being Tibet is an unresolved conflict. So this, we took it up even though we follow the Middleway approach or the Middleway policy. Middleway is a Buddhist concept, which is a polarization of views, so we don't go to the extremes. You always stay in the middle on any opinion, on your views, anything. I'll begin by giving you a short information on Tibet, because sometimes we live under this illusion that people know about Tibet, but very often people don't know much about Tibet. Tibet is located in the heart of Asia. It's north of India, west of China, south of Mongolia and East Turkestan. So Tibet area, as I was coming here to Oxford, I asked one of our staff to check the area of UK, and it's only about 240 something square kilometers. And Tibet is about 2.5 million square kilometers. So Tibet is almost 10 times the size of UK.